morning everybody! Good morning mga kadingding! Today, magagawa tayo ng chocolate cake. Moist chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Ayan, okay. These are my ingredients. Supposed to be, this is a full milk, but full cake. But now, I am only making half. Kasi, ayaw naman nila masyado ng madaming cake. At saka pag matagal, ay hindi na nila kaya. So, anyway, gawa tayo ng half lang ng recipe. Okay, this is a cup. And more than a cup flour, yung all-purpose flour. Tsaka half cup ng cocoa powder. A cup of granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then I will add it later. Okay, I'll add it now. Like about less than teaspoon. Okay, of salt. I have here half cup of milk and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Right? Then later, meron tayong vanilla essence. A teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg. Tapos, mamaya, gagamit ako ng half cup ng boiling water. So, umpisa na tayo. Gawin na natin yung ating cake. Alright? So, una, lagyan natin yung dry ingredients. Save siya para medyo wala talagang lumps. Baking powder, baking soda. At saka may salt na yan. At saka yung cocoa. Okay. Natin yung siya ba? Ayaw ko siya. Okay. Lagyan natin yung gatas. And the milk. I mean, the gatas and the milk. Okay. Ano ba yan? Meron akong drop, kaya kailangan talaga pag ano ka ng itlog, separate mo. Nakalimutan ko. So, supposed to be yan, tanggalin ko lang. Gamit na tayo ng mixing bowl. Lagyan na natin yung vanilla. Tapos, handa natin yung ating hotdog. Alright. Ano natin yung hot water. Okay. Lagyan ko lang siya ng butter, guys.
Linda, do you know how to use this shampoo? Not to keep in the dog 10 minutes.
Maingay itong amo ko. Ayan na yung cake natin. It's a thin. Kasi very ano siya. Light. Sana hindi ito masyadong matamis. Iniba ko kasi yung recipe niya. I mean yung amount ng ano. Ginawa ko lang ha. I hope. Not too sweet. We'll see afterwards. Okay naman. Bake na tayo. Bake, bake, bake. Siguro mga 30 to 45 minutes. Yan. 160 degrees lang yan. Alright. Tapos na siya. Ayan na yung cake ko. Papalamigin ko muna siya. Anyway, thank you guys. Thank you talaga sa pagsama ng aking video until the end. later ipapatch ko na yung afterwards. Baka gagawin ko siya ng cream. So, because this is just, simple cake. Parang santo. Kasi to ng lalaki. So, anyway guys, God bless. Ingat-ingat. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, mga kalinding. Shout out dyan sa aking mga kating chichikolets. Doon kay Sisi Michelle Kawakubo. Thank you guys. Thank you sa support lagi, Sisi Osang, Sisi Koy Tere, Sisi Koy Awing. Thank you guys. Pakisuportan naman ng mga channel din nila, mga supportive yan, mga kaibigan natin. God bless us guys. Babush!